Hi guys, so this is the look that I created today. I am so here for this yellow. I freaking love it. Keep on watching and get the look yourself. So I am currently loving
AP on the track.
super lightweight, and not only do I love it because I don't sweat, but I love the fact that my freckles still show. Now I'm gonna go in with that full coverage, and I'm really just gonna highlight where I want it to be even brighter. So that's gonna be right here. Wow, do you see what I'm talking about? Girl, okay. I'm going to take my KUSH Queen palette. Ever since I got this palette, I love it. I'm going to show you these beautiful colors. Today we are going to work with White Rhino and Maui. Now I'm going to go back in with my concealer, and I'm going to kind of cut my crease a little. Not really, but I want that yellow to kind of stand out. So I'm going to go ahead and tap exactly where I'm going to place the yellow.
AP on the track.
So now I'm taking that White Rhino, and I'm gonna set it right on top. Oh wow, I love that. I love it. Okay, and this just got real. I've learned that if I just blend, it's gonna come out better. Don't get lazy. So I'm gonna switch back to this Tarte, and before I put that glitter on, I'm gonna go in with Edgy. And I'm really making sure that this blends together nicely. I'm going to take the Maui Wowie with a really pointy angled brush, and I'm gonna kind of create like a wing liner. See how it looks with it and with it.
AP on the track.
Because I put the darker brown on my temple, I'm already kind of forming my forehead to be shorter. So I'm gonna bring that dark one in all the way up, and I'm kind of gonna create that shadow here. So I want, when someone looks at me, I want them to really concentrate in the middle of my forehead as opposed to like an all white freaking plasma TV over here. like that. I'm okay. I love it. Everything just came together so awesomely. This yellow is giving me life for work. I'm gonna be superstar, the showstopper. And my hair finally dried up. Thank you, Jesus.